to JD's World. Today we're going to be doing the Fireworks Versus Fruit Challenge. These fireworks are called M80s.
I told Daddy to watch the firework challenge, like the fruit challenge.
We're going to put these fireworks in fruits. We got a tiny little watermelon. We got
I can carry this one, guys.
a couple apples. We got 2 oranges. And then we got some tomatoes.
Yep.
A pack of lemons. A pineapple. And a big watermelon.
Yep.
Since we are going to be using fire, my dad is going to be helping us with this video.
Here, guys. Here it is.
Let me see, what are those?
Firecrackers.
Okay, which one are we gonna do first, guys? How about we start from small to big? We gotta do apples, or tomatoes, or lemons.
Let's do
lemons.
Let's do apples.
You wanna do apples? Okay.
All right, guys, we're doing apple.
Okay, guys, I got the first one done. I got the apple done.
Okay, you guys back up.
Come on. Everybody back up. Everybody back up.
All right, come on, guys, gotta run.
Did it work?
I don't think so.
It didn't even explode.
All right, guys, that was a fail, so let's try to shove another one in here on the side.
Ew, it stinks.
No, it doesn't.
Yes, it does. It smells like firecracker.
All right, guys, so now we shoved it in there like this. JJ's gonna light it. At the tip, right here. At the tip.
I'm gonna stay right here.
Oh, wait.
Oh. Well, these aren't doing nothing.
Yes, it did.
That was from the firework. Let me have another firework.
Let's put a couple in there.
Let's try this again. Come here, JJ.
Yeah.
Move.
It popped out. Try it.
That one did a little better. It split the end.
Yes!
Let's try something else now.
Let's try a tomato.
All right, Damien, give me a firework, dude.
Here.
So now we're gonna try a tomato. Oh yeah, this one's probably gonna blow up, huh?
Ew. All
Oh, it's wet.
Alright, let's stay right here.
All right, JJ. Make sure you put on the tip.
Everybody stand over there.
Oh, that one did it.
Yeah.
Then it hit the roof.
We got food flying all over the house. This one was a good one, huh? Look.
And then
Look. All right, guys. So we have another tomato. Might as well do the other tomato, huh?
Yeah, maybe it could explode.
Damien, you
the
want to
whole
try
thing.
doing? You want to try light one? Give me the firework.
No, I'm scared.
You're scared?
Yes.
You want me to help you?
Yes.
Here, let your brother try it. Come here, Damien. Damien, want to try it or no? Alright, Damien doesn't want to do
Well, I'm
it.
gonna try it.
Alright, so Jay's going to do it because Damien doesn't want to.
Good.
Oh!
That was a fail.
That was a fail.
It shot the firework in the pool.
It did?
Yeah, look. The firework didn't even pop. It just blew it into the pool, look.
Oh, yeah, I can see it.
Yeah, see, it's in there in the pool. Now it's going to go in the pump.
Okay,
All
guys, next up is
It's
a
lemon.
lemon.
That was a lot of lemon.
A lot of lemons. Okay, give me a firework. Well, this table's getting nasty. We got fruit all over the place.
Okay, shove it in, Daddy.
Alright, guys, so now we're going to shove this,
I want to do it. I want to do it.
this lemon.
I want to do it.
You want to like this one?
Yeah.
Okay, come here. It smells good, huh? Here, I'll help you.
Okay.
All right, Damien's turn. Touch like this. Run.
Oh.
Oh, that was loud. This one didn't really do nothing. Let's try it again. Give me another firework.
Wait, let me see the hole. Wait, that's real.
That's just the hole that I already did.
I want to try again. I want to let it again.
See, it's the same exact hole you just already had. Come here, Damien. Hurry up.
Maybe put the fuse a little bit closer to the lemon, Daddy.
Put it deeper in.
Oh, yeah.
Run. Everybody stand back.
Oh, look it.
Where'd it go?
They threw it way over there.
In the pool gun?
So come to find out, these firecrackers aren't too good, huh, JJ?
Oh, there's a lot of smoke in this.
Oh, bring it over here so we can see, look. Look, JJ noticed all the smoke coming out of it, look. These don't really blow up nothing, huh?
Oh, these lemons are hard, kind
Okay, I'll pick.
Yeah, throw in the trash. Which one you want to do?
I want to do a little watermelon.
You want to do the watermelon now?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Alright guys, so Damien wants to do the watermelon. Here, JJ, hold the lighter.
Daddy, I got an idea for the big watermelon.
Yeah?
Okay, I want to show
Yeah, let's
it.
put like,
You gotta shove it this way.
let's put a lot of firecrackers in it.
Okay.
Push it. Push it down. Hard. Oh, Damien pushed it all the way in. Alright, JJ.
All right. No, I want to do
No,
it.
let JJ do it. You did the lemon. Watch out, Damien.
Money back. Money.
Oh, that was a good one.
Wait, did it explode?
Yeah, it split it. Look.
Wait, could you get it?
No, that's
no,
nasty.
The smoke.
Look at this one was pretty good, huh?
They did better than the one in the
Let me
lemon.
get wet.
Want to do another one in the watermelon?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, get a firework.
I want to do
These
it.
little M80s aren't too good, huh? These kind of suck. They don't even really blow nothing up. Just put it deep in like that.
Can you do it?
Watch out, guys. Oh, nothing happened.
Let's try a different fruit.
A different fruit?
Yeah.
This one, it just has a lot of smoke. Look.
It's like it's breathing when it's cold.
Ew, that one stinks.
Oh yeah.
So next up, guys, is the orange.
Yeah, I want to explode it.
Hold on,
But
let
it
JJ
didn't-
There's two. So let JJ do one, then you do one, okay?
Okay. Show it
I
all
think
the
the one that
way.
exploded
There.
the most.
I put it in a lot. Look, JJ. Hurry, light it
Huh.
before the fuse gets wet.
Aw.
The fuse got wet. Hold on, back up, back up. Here, let me see.
Billy, yeah.
Watch out.
Oh, not even working.
Alright, guys, this one was a dud.
Yeah, they go
Oh,
first. and
Daddy,
that's my
maybe
thing.
it'll explode both of them, huh?
Maybe.
I want to push it all the way. Explode it.
Alright, guys, take two on the orange.
I'm getting out of here.
What the? Hold on.
You're only using.
Nothing happened.
That's what you call a dud. Let's try another one.
Where did it go?
Let's see how loud these are with no fruit. Come here, Damien.
Get on here. Right there.
They're pretty loud, huh? Without the fruit?
Wait, how come we can't explode the fruit?
Yeah.
I know, that's weird that these fireworks won't explode the fruit.
Okay, my turn.
Hold on, watch out.
Maybe don't put it deep.
Everybody stand up.
Okay, this orange doesn't work anymore.
That's so weird. So the firework blows up good with nothing in it, huh?
Mhm.
But when it's in fruit, it doesn't work too good.
Okay, I want to try now.
Which one you want to try?
The pineapple.
Yeah, pineapple.
Next up is a pineapple. I don't think the pineapple's gonna do too good because these fireworks we thought were a little bit better, but guess they're not.
I think the pineapple's the toughest one.
I already got it. I already got one. I want to help you.
Push it right there. Got it or no? You want me to do it?
Woo! Let's try that.
I got it.
Go, JJ. Hurry, move, Damien, move.
Get out of here. Ah!
Whoa, it just shot it up in the air. All it did was leave some smoke in it.
Like most of them.
Get another one. Put another firework in there. Let's try it out.
What if we put it sideways?
Okay.
Sideways.
Dad, help me.
Go, hurry.
I need
that
help.
because that's like putting it inside one of those clothes things.
Move, run.
Wait, what the hell?
Oh, nothing even happened.
It even exploded.
Ew, it made those weird looking bubble things.
Well, these suck. What do you think, JJ?
Another one.
Should we throw one in the pool and see what it does in the pool?
Yeah.
Let's throw it in the pool, see what happens.
Throw one in the put them.
The firework.
Yeah.
All right, guys, so we're gonna throw in the pool. Let's see what happens.
The one explodes. Okay.
Oh, the fuse went out.
What does that mean?
Normally when it lights, it stays on.
Last but not least is the big old fat watermelon.
Okay, I'm gonna put some holes in it, and you guys shove some firecrackers in, okay? Shove a firecracker in there.
Dad, make it so big for me. It's so good.
It tastes good?
Yeah. I can't even put this in.
Is it hard to put in there, guys?
Yeah. Daddy, I need help.
Any
We
help?
need to make a bigger hole.
Let me see. Let's try this. We're not too sure how it's gonna turn out because
Cause
all the other ones have been kind of
can I
lame.
float it?
But we put a lot in this one because it's big.
Help me.
We have to
Run.
You gotta be kidding me. Ah, go.
Did it pop?
Okay, you guys stay right there. Hold on, stay right there.
Try to light all of them. Okay, that one doesn't work anymore.
Watch out there, man. Watch out, guys. Oh!
What did it do?
Oh, it split it. It just made a split. That's all. It didn't do nothing special.
Dad, try to do a lot of them.
No, just one at a time. Oh, here, you like that one? I like this one. Go.
I threw in a bowl. I'll catch it. I'll catch it if I beat big. Come on.
There's a hole in the back.
Oh, look, it did. Those actually split the watermelon. Look.
Cut it.
So we still have two left. Well, this one's, I'm too
Dad,
scared
cut
to light it. I
cut
don't want the boys to
open,
light it.
Cut it open.
Like that one, JJ.
Dad, cut it open.
Is it going?
Yeah, it'll go right now.
Daddy, in the back it's leaking.
I know, look at all the juice down there. It's leaking all over the place. Oh, it is leaking in the back.
Try again.
No, not another one of these.
Why am I working?
Watch out, guys. There it goes. Ooh,
Oh, look, it's split on the top.
it split it more. Okay, watch out. Let's try to do this one.
Again? That fuse is so little. Oh, that one split it everywhere.
That one did a good job. So look at all the juice falling. Look at all the smoke coming out. Whoa. Open it. Look, it looks kind of like it messed it up inside. Open it up, JJ.
Oh yeah, Matt, open it.
Look at it. It's all blown up inside. Look. Look what it looks like inside.
Ew, look at this one.
See inside? Look at all the cement and stuff from the fireworks. It looks nasty. It looks like a brain. All right, guys. So JJ wants to put one in here.
Yeah, I want to explode it. I want to explode it
Hold
for
on,
Jason.
watch out. We don't need it. The fuse can't get wet. Watch out, guys. Oh, that was a good one.
That's the end of today's video. Make sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Bye.
Bye.